It's your girl, Crystal Nicole, owner of KN Beauty, where I sell handmade hair care products for healthy hair growth and retention. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful, super moisturizing conditioner.
Keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. So keep that booty. So keep that pump. That natural beauty. Yeah.
Here's the formula I will be following. It will also be in the description. Start by weighing out your distilled water. Next, I'm going to add in some Cetrimonium Chloride, and this amazing ingredient is a liquid cationic conditioner. It improves both wet and dry combing and reduces frizz, all while softening coarse hair. I will also be adding in wheat protein to help maintain an optimal moisture balance and give our hair better body and control. All good, chugga, look around, find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is Now let's put this to the side while we make a very quick slurry. If you don't already know what I mean by slurry, then check out my DIY moisturizing shampoo video where I talk about it a bit more in detail. For this formula, we're going to combine Guar Gum and Propanediol to make our slurry. Guar Gum is a great natural gel-forming thickener that is extracted from guar beans, which are mainly grown in India, while Propanediol is a natural humectant and hair and skin conditioner made from corn sugar. Simply add that into the rest of our water phase, give it a good mix, and set it to the side so we can work on our oil phase. I decided to use grapeseed oil for this conditioner because this lightweight oil is great for all hair types, softens and promotes hair growth. Next, I'm going to add in our emulsifier and co-emulsifier. Both are going to help condition the hair, thicken our mixture, and stabilize it. While filming, I forgot to add in the Shea Butter, but I did add it into my oil phase off camera before putting both phases in a water bath on the stove for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you're enjoying learning how to formulate with me, then check out my Etsy page where I offer formulating ebooks like my beginner guide to formulating, as well as hair and skincare formulas you can purchase so you can start your own hair and skincare business, like this recipe for an easy tea tree and mint clarifying shampoo. Great for reducing dandruff. Link is in the description if you're interested. Now let's get back to the conditioner. Since everything is melted down, just pour in the water phase into the oil phase and thoroughly blend with an immersion blender. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room. After a couple minutes of blending, the conditioner has thickened slightly, but is still too hot to add in the cool down ingredients. So to speed up the process, I'm going to place the conditioner into my freezer while I work on the last phase. D-L-Panthenol, aka vitamin B5, is a must for any moisturizing product, but especially in hair care products. It easily penetrates the hair strands to add shine, improve hydration, and reduce split ends. Of course, I'm adding in my favorite antioxidant, vitamin E. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday. And lastly, a preservative. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet? Our conditioner is below 100 degrees, so I'm going to pour in the cool down ingredients and mix them together. Now, of course, you can hand mix, but the secret to getting our conditioner to have this smooth, silky finish is to use an electric whisk. I don't know exactly how to put into words the magic this technique does, but just trust me and give it a try.
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's like.
This conditioner is so light and creamy and hydrating, not only to the touch, but definitely on the hair. I can't get over how this simple formula turned out. I'm so interested in playing around with other ingredients to build upon this recipe. If you have any ideas on ingredients you would like me to formulate with, leave a comment down below. Only thing left to do is bottle up your lovely conditioner, throw on the label, and enjoy the moisturizing goodness. And because I can't get enough of this texture, here's a close-up shot of this beautiful silky creation.
Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you can show me things.
If you want to support my small business, check out my website, kmbeauty.org, where you can purchase handmade hair care products that grow your hair longer, thicker, and healthier while using safe, natural ingredients. The proof are in the reviews, so go check out KM Beauty. Well, that's it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay beautiful.
Straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.